coronavirus pandemic has prompted governments across the world to intervene with technological solutions in the overwhelming task of tracing and tracking every last contact of a COVID-19 infected patient. Now, this highly contagious virus can spread even before the capacity of many well-organized countries also to intervene and break the chain of transmission. So despite the privacy risks involved, many governments across the world are falling back on these technological solutions to find an effective way in order to know who has crossed paths with a COVID-19 infected patient.
The Indian government launched the Arogya Setu app, which uses your phone's Bluetooth location and mobile number to check whether you have interacted with someone who could have tested positive for COVID-19. Registration is voluntary, and the government says app data is encrypted and will stay secure on the phone. Europe's telecom companies are sharing location data with health authorities in Italy, Germany, and Austria to check whether people are remaining at home. The data is aggregated and anonymous, mapping concentrations rather than individuals to respect Europe's privacy laws. In South Korea, the government created a map of cell phone data provided by telecom and credit card companies. The map was made public so everyone could track whether they had been exposed. Iran's reportedly used the COVID-19 epidemic to gather private data from its citizens to boost Tehran's surveillance capabilities. According to reports, the country sent a link to download the AC-19 app, which claimed to diagnose COVID-19, but usage required sending back location data. Taiwan has an extensive location tracking apparatus. It leverages cell phone location data, and if you move out of your house and your phone is switched off, the police will visit you in 15 minutes after many calls and warning texts. The country is monitoring some 55,000 people currently under mandatory home quarantine. In Israel, the location data of people's mobile devices is being collected from telcos by Israel's domestic security agency and shared with health officials.
So these are some of the many ways in which governments are leveraging cell phone tracking technology, in some places with people's consent and in some places without it, in order to curb this highly infectious disease.